Good morning. A good and honorable Memorial Day to you all. I hope this message serves you well. There have been quite a few beginner recommendations I've presented to our group over the last month. I know that if you truly apply any one of them, you're creating a great foundation to succeed. Though once you've made the decision, much all else is lost without focusing on the simple fundamentals of fitness. So with this thought comes tip number 9.
All get down. Come on, everybody, let's all get down.
Keep it basic. Practice and master fundamental movements that will become or should become a staple in future routines to come, all before getting too fancy. It sounds like a no-brainer, I know, but simply don't overcomplicate your workouts. Too often people skip foundational exercises in their workouts or become overly creative in exercise selections that look cool or are trendy. Dang you Insta-Fit models and celebrities. You know who I mean. Mastering the basics truly takes time, so don't rush through. A progressive basic workout program including exercises like squats, rows, lunges, chest presses, basic multi-joint movements, or even progressive jogging and running totally work and achieve great results. Not to mention preventing injury moving forward. Keep it basic and appreciate the progress. In good health.